Hello, my name is Sumit. Today in this video we are going to talk about the airdrops. We will talk about 5 airdrops which could offer you a life-changing amount. So do not miss these. Currently we see most of the people and whole crypto industry is talking about and focused on only layer 1 and layer 2 solutions and their airdrops. But there are other fields also in the crypto where we see a massive growth. So do not miss those opportunities also. Back in the time when DYDX airdrop was distributed, it gave people around 20,000 on an average airdrop profit. So that was huge. People who had early transacted on DYDX and supported them initially days were rich that time. So do not miss that part also, that is DeFi. We will see 5 airdrops which may give you very good opportunity to earn good money. So let's go. There are many dApps with potential airdrops. The first one is Zapper. Zapper.xyz it's a DeFi portfolio tracker with some DeFi products incorporated into the platform itself. So according to Crunchbase, they raised almost 17 million with investors such as Coinbase and CoinFund, Verify Capital, just to name a few, and no native token yet. It's a good thing. So you can keep an eye on Zapper. Second is Zora. Zora is a platform for buying, selling and creating NFTs. They raised $60 million in multiple funding rounds with investors such as Paradigm, Kindred and Coinbase. Third is UrgentX. UrgentX is a crypto wallet specifically for Starknet, while JDSwap is an AMM for Starknet. So UrgentX uses JDSwap for swap. So in short, by trying the JDSwap, you can aim for 3 potential airdrop: Starknet, UrgentX and JDSwap. So do not miss that. Fourth is with us Jarian. It's again a portfolio tracker and wallet with some DeFi feature embedded with it. Raised almost 33 million with investors including Coinbase, Wintermute, Polymorphic Capital and etc. So do not miss that. Last in our list is OpenSea Pro. It's an NFT aggregator marketplace dApp by OpenSea. It was previously known as Gem. They are aiming to compete with Blur, which rose to fame with the recent airdrop of their native Blur token. Although there is only a slight chance of an airdrop, I think they will bring in something to compete with Blur and a bonus airdrop. It could be as simple as setting up the MetaMask. Rainbow Wallet. Rainbow Wallet is a simple Web3 wallet. Rainbow Wallet is a simple Web3 wallet for Ethereum and other EVM chains. The interface and UI are much better than most of the wallets in the market. So do not miss that also. Just download, install and set up, and you can use swap feature on that. So you may be eligible for this airdrop. So these are the 5 plus 1 bonus airdrops. You can also comment if you want me to make dedicated videos on these airdrops, how to claim them and how to be eligible for future airdrop if there are any. That's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. It really motivates us. Thank you for watching.